This is Machito, the grey one. He is 1 year old and about to face the biggest test of his life. Not that he knows it. He and his sister, Nina, are at the age where they should separate and each find a territory of their own. Competition between males means Machito will have to travel much further than his sister. But now, each must learn to hunt. Even for their mother, there is no greater challenge than catching an adult bull guanaco, 3 times her size. But she's an expert. The cubs watch closely. To succeed, she must get. Their mother has done all she can for them. After a year together, her territory is no longer theirs. It's time for them to leave. For several weeks, these siblings stay close to each other. But they will soon need to go their separate ways.